Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bonner Springs, local and long-distance movers near me. Everyone should worry when they are relocating over distances of 50 miles. These types of relocations are called long-distance relocations, and long-distance relocations are very tasking, and you must consider a lot of things before you can pull them off successfully. With a successful relocation, you can settle down quickly. Therefore, you should trust 3 Movers with your relocation. We will help you relocate to your destination quickly and efficiently, and you can rest assured knowing that we are in charge of relocation. We also have well-equipped, cautious, and organized movers working with our firm. These movers are professionals and will ensure that your items are sorted and separated in the correct order. Fragile items from heavy items, and our trucks are also handling all the weight of these items. With us, your items are safe and secure. We also have several comprehensive insurance policies that will cover your belongings before and during the transit. 3 Movers has permits to take long-distance relocations, and our drivers make sure to follow all driving regulations. Summarily, we ensure that you get to your destination on time, safe and sound. Local moves and relocations that are less than 50 miles from your present location, and we provide the best local moves in Bonner Springs. We are also a very affordable relocation firm, charging about $30 to $40 per hour. Ask around, we're the best local firm in the area and are also the most recommended. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bonner Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.